What is up, Malupiter Squad? It's your boy Aldrin once again and nagbabalik tayo for so many long months ng ating official unboxing video. So as you can see here, kilala naman natin kung ano yung nasa harap na to. It's a very nice and comfortable Jordan 1. So nasa line na tayo ng mga Jordan reviews ngayon. So as we can see, this is just a simple Jordan, but for me this is a very comfortable and stylish Jordan in my opinion, no? So before I start, just quickly support your boy, just clicking like and subscribe, and tapusin nyo yung video na to. It's a short review sneaker video. Like and subscribe to my channel. It's all about sneakers, and yeah, let's jump into it. So bibigyan ko rin kayo ng konting idea ano yung mga function and kung bakit tinatawag na Zoom CMFT itong sneaker na to, no? So yun siya, from the word itself, CMFT, it's pronounced as comfort, no? So, ano yung mga materials na ginamit dito and such that, no? So, for me, as you can see, unang-una, right off the bat, yung lace, kasi mahilig ako sa lace swapping, tsaka nag-contrast yung nagpa-pop yung color. Gustong-gusto ko yung sneaker yung dating. So, from here is style-wise, napakaganda niya. And then at the same time, let's go to the box. Let's jump to the box. Ito yung left pair niya. So, yan, no? So, ito yung mga function ng shoes. So, kagandahan sa box nito is nakalagay dito yung pinaka-function niya, no? So, from mid-foot lockdown comfort, flexibility, lightweight comfort and breathability, and cushioning and response, and of course, the style, no? So, let's start here real quick, no? So, kung napapansin nyo, hindi yan yung ordinary na Jordan na hindi na adjust dito. So, para sa mga wide-footed like me, na-adjust to dito. So, yun yung kagandahan. Tapos, pwede mong i-lace or hindi mo i-lace dyan, pwede rin. And then, meron siyang lockdown dito na nakasikip yung mismong ankle, ay yung ano mo, yung front foot area mo para at least yung comfort damang-dama mo, no? So, ganun siya at hindi gumagalaw-galaw tong tang. So, ganyan. Tapos, and then, pinakatang niya nakalagay dito, Zoom Air. And then, may swoosh na malaki. And that's about it. And then, yung mga materials na nandiyan niya sa flexibility, yung breathability, so nabubukas yung ganyan. And then ang kagandahan dito yung tatlo. Okay, tatlong cushioning response niya. Una-una, Formula 23 yung ginamit dito. So yung pinakaloob niya, hindi siya yung old school na outsole. Then molded rubber sa pinakailalim niya. And then yung pinaka nagpapalambot pag tinatapakan natin is yung Zoom Air niya. So yun siya. And then yung box na to, it comes with ito lang nakalagay rito. Ayan. Okay, nandito na rin yung instruction. Ayan. And then at the same time, yung lace. Okay, so yung lace niya talaga black lang siya. Wala siyang extra lace. So ako lang kasi mahilig ako mag-change ng lace. So basically, ganun lang siya. Kasimple and napakaganda ng style niya para sa akin, in my opinion. And then, uso rin ngayon yung mahilig ka sa mga loose pants. Okay, nako-cover up yun dito. So napakaganda niya. Okay, so as you can see, nandiyan na lahat. Alright, and then yung pinakailalim niya medyo kakaiba, hindi siya yung traditional yun na Jordan 1. So nandiyan yung Formula 3, so napakalambot niyan. And then yung zoom, sa pinakagitna, nandiyan din. Okay, so ganun lang siya kasimple. And sa next video natin makikita nyo naman yung isang colorway niya na uso rin, no? Yung pinakasikat din na kulay niya, which is yung UNC. So, yun lang din. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much sa pag-watch. Peace.